It's a hell of a day to be in the city of New York. We might as well go downtown for a few and take a stroll, right? Yo, the Knicks did their thing, baby.
Pause.
Hella hype. Knicks, baby. Whee!
Pistol packing Peter, sipping clique in my Adidas. Shell top, hit my direct inbox for the feature. Fuck they talking about? Niggas tweaking like the kid ain't eating at Big Mama house. We feasting like Jesus every weekend. My last supper was with Grant and my next grub is whipping Franklin. Looking for a white guy, I could ice down to her anklet. Life like a box.
I'm looking like a tourist down here in the Knicks here. It's tourists. Yeah, and they already try to hand me a pamphlet. No, thank you. So anyway, yeah, we down here about to hit up Black Tap NYC. Shout out to Jen for putting me on. We're gonna check it out. It's like a good spot to get something to eat. Then after that, you know I gotta step past the garden. Pay my respects. If you've been following me for a while and you're trying to figure out where I'm at, yeah, duh, you know, 34th. But bam, Timberland down that way. Yeah, Timberland store down that way. So if you're ever in New York, you get off on 34th Street around the H&M. Timberland, right down the block. Y'all ready? Knicks in 6. Oh, that's probably why. That's a dispensary. After marijuana, it's legal.
Most of her belongs to you. She just some of mine. Celine teas in the summertime. Invited to dinner, she bringing her friends with her. I'm walking out on the bill, I'm way too trill. She don't give a fuck about your trauma, so how you feel is none of her business. Just keep on spending. She get it from her mama for dollars, she catch a thrill. Drop top Benzes, V12 engines. Niggas in competition like they tryna win a pendant. The double wear Celine, nigga, come to your senses. Trapped by eccentric, adventurous hoes with head tricks, French kiss pose of foes and a Lexus slow. So watch who you fall for. Just suck the soul out of all y'all. You know how many bodies she hiding inside her. Some of your enemies, a few idols and partners. Sitting home poking holes.
I didn't know it was gonna be this. Alright, but it's decent though. I didn't know it was gonna be looking like this.
Gets on the necklace, got exes texting us. Getting neck in a Lexus, a red Lexus truck. Admitted when she met me, she wanted to set me up. But fell in love, I think it's cause I never said enough. She knew nothing about nothing. And if a nigga bustin' while I'm bustin', then I'm bustin'. I don't like no interruptions. If I like you, then I'm cuffin'. I don't need to hear your story, cause it's not an ex that you can tell me about that wouldn't bore me. All these niggas corny. Hold on, I need something I can really get crazy to. That's too easy. I pull up, me matching the coupe, black mag in a suit, the new Goldie, the Max back bragging to you. Y'all niggas be in the jewelry store haggling too. Every time it's about money, gotta battle with you. Man, put your bets up. This ain't working out, get your reps up. I aim from the neck up and bang till I stretch something. Let nothing go, if it's war, it's forever. Gunshots flying out the Carrera. I'm the one they get hype about when they speak about this era. In a space full of bullshit, I pull shit together. I'm who they wanna be cool with.
Alright, so street corn nachos, banging. Them joints were straight. Her burger was good. I didn't try it, but you liked your burger? Yes. It was good?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I ain't tried it because I was kind of full. But the hot chicken sandwich, it was decent. It wasn't, ain't no sauce on it. So you didn't have to worry about like getting your fingers all dirty or whatever. But I kind of wish it did have sauce. Word, pause. The drinks were cool. I just wasn't into that whole little cocktail look. That joint was, you know, that's more for the females, but it does say cocktail, so all right, bet. Pause, you got you on cocktail. But what else? Oh, and they had none of the good, like none of the high-rated beers, like the 6.6, 6.4. Pause if you have to on all the sizes. They the alcohol content, my bad, they didn't have. And I'll be damned if I come up in there getting damn Coors Light. No sir. I bet you they got some good slices in there. The ambiance was dope. The music was popping. Old school. I ain't gonna say golden era, like right before golden era of hip hop. Like the yeah, music was on point. I definitely love that. You know what I'm saying? It's a change. It's definitely a change. Yeah. So anyway, now we about to go where else? Madison Square Garden. You know what I'm saying?
E Junior.
Oh yeah, and juniors. Bama ass juniors.
Yo, Nick lovers, here's a bonus. This largest rap group open door seized the moment. Freeze! We started in Leeds, half moons the Romans. Goal on the dental, shooting stars, street diplomas.
Gooses on 42 Chaconis. Nick jackets, we boost baloney. Hanging in hallways, the castle's lonely.
All right, what a time to be alive as a New York Knicks fan. Yo, I know y'all seen Side Talk. New York Knicks fans are happy right now, for real. We ain't been out the first round since.
Now you want to be we again, huh?
I know Julius Randle is injured, so I can't really have my hopes set up, but I'm riding till the wheels fall off. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely riding till the wheels fall off. Since we're keeping it in New York, taking to the Bronx, I went to Famous Nobodies yesterday. I really didn't vlog in there. That was my bad. I just didn't want to stretch the video out. Pause if you have to on that. But I'm gonna tell you what I did cop. So, yesterday, they released in 2 colorways, a blue and a black. Bam, that Love and Hate series right here. Everybody knows Do the Right Thing. That's a classic movie right there. I think I didn't, no, I'm not gonna say I didn't appreciate the movie, but about 10 years ago when I said, you know what, I believe this is in my top, it's in my top 5. It definitely was in my top 5. I just didn't realize how much I appreciated this movie until I watched it in because I took a film and TV class. Till I watched it then, I said, you know what? A lot of iconic actors up in there. But one thing that I do remember was the Air Trainers. Of course, the Jordan 4s. Yeah, of course. When my man bugging out got him ran over by old boy with the 33 jersey. But it was a good breakdown in my film and TV class. Like we had a discussion about it, how like really the neighborhood passed by Sal and all that. But anyway, that's for another time. Dope cap right here. R.I.P. Radio Raheem in this joint. You got the New York Yankees, New York Mets logo right there in white. Love and Hate lettering in gold. It's a black cap. I was gonna cop the blue, but I forgot that they was coming out with a t-shirt for this, but we'll get into that later. I would have copped the blue though, but I went with the black because they had the shirt. Take the side patch. Bam, I'm a pro. Radio Raheem, 35th anniversary. Do the Right Thing right there. There you got Radio Raheem, classic boombox. That led to his demise. Take to the other side. Got Mookie right there. X marks the spot. 1989, 2024. Do the Right Thing. Boycott Sal's. Damn right. Get him out the neighborhood. We don't need him.
I got your boycott swinging.
At the back, 5-star general right there. X marks the spot logo. There you got the 22 lettering in white right there. It's a snapback, of course. Inside, bam, you already. Check the movement, check the movement. And then you got your black headband, so it don't get what? Dirty. But yeah, nah. Y'all already know, man, my favorite snapback spot in the Bronx, man. Always hold me down. I appreciate them hold me down on this one because I forgot that they was coming out with the tee. Let's stop talking about it. Let's just see the tee. It's a black tee, Love and Hate right there. I got it in a size medium. I get all the tees in a size medium because they do fit very well. So that was the size I got. Pause if you have to on the size. Take to the back.
Pause, all right?
Boycott Sal's Pizzeria.
Here is your boycott. Up your ass, you got a boycott.
And then Do the Right Thing right there. Another banger that they came out with. Like I said, my favorite snapback spot in the Bronx. I was talking to one of the owners. They are supposed to continue with classic movies. Joints that I want to see is New Jack's, well, Boys in the Hood. Let me get my favorite movie. Boys in the Hood. I can already tell you, I know they gotta have Old Boy from the Red Hyundai. And I ain't talking about Ferris. But yeah, Boys in the Hood, Juice, New Jack City, and the only Jersey joint that I'll cop, even though they has to be dope, I have to nice Jersey. New Jersey Drive, definitely. New Jersey Drive. Clockers will be alright, but those are what Fresh. Let me know if you had the opportunity to make a request. What classic movie would you want to see on one of these caps?
I don't know.
But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Again, New York, you know what I mean? Where we at? Oh. Nah, does that mean Knicks 9 and 6? But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. I thought I had a New York, I thought I had something. Oh, I do. You already know. Knicks and 6, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Let's go New York. Stop playing out here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Shout out to Baby Wave. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. That's Snaps.
Get
wavy. It's my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. DR vlogs is still gonna be trickling in. See you when I see you. Out.